Is it recording?
Yeah. So we're walking on a mountain, and it's a really nice mountain, and everybody's like, oh, look how peaceful. But I have the hiccups, so every time somebody walks by me, they're like, what the hell? So, see? So, everybody, I was talking to Caitlin and laughing, and then, like, I was like, laugh, laugh, laugh. But, yeah. So, just, yeah.
We're gonna see the next spontaneous hiccup in action.
There are people coming too, so it should be pretty good. I'll make sure it's loud. Ooh, that was a good one. Okay, there are people coming. Oh, just watch their faces. Okay? I hope it's timed good, but there's some other people behind them. So.
Another people.
Group of people. Your hair's in the way.
No, it's not.
That was a little too late though, so we gotta try to be useful. This is like the best video I've ever made in my life.